Hi guys, the next component of my computer build that you're going to be seeing me unbox will be the aftermarket heatsink. For this, I've chosen Zalman CMPS 5X Performer heatsink. This is again a budget CPU cooler, and main reason for me is like I don't want the stock CPU cooler, and I wanted something nice and quiet and which performs well. And this got a good reviews and it came out quite cheap for me. So let's see what's inside the box. Quite simple. You got a manual, and then you got it wrapped nicely in a bubble pack. Okay, off the box. Okay, you got the installation thumb screws. I am guessing this is for probably the Intel CPUs, this bracket, and these screws are for Intel CPUs as well. You got the thermal paste, the Zalman supplies with it, which is very good. And here is the cooler itself. Now let's try to just pop it open. It's not too heavy, and it looks nice, light, and it's quite uniquely designed. Mind you, this is not a very latest CPU cooler. It's a very old model. I think the recent one is CMPS 12X. But this is good nevertheless. And it's got a copper bottom. It's not one of those smooth mirror finished ones. But as long as it does the job, I don't think we have to worry about it. The AMD installation should be quite easy, and you'll watch it when I'm installing it. So that will be my CPU cooler.